Hello guys, welcome back. So till now we have seen bar chart, we have seen pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart. Today we will be talking about a new type of chart, that is ribbon chart. Might be many of you be seeing this chart for the first time. So let's first draw the chart and then we will be discussing about this chart later on. So currently you can see we have x-axis, y-axis, legend and so on. So let's display sales and let's display it region wise. Now notice currently you have normal chart which is looking alike bar chart. So before we create and proceed with the visualization part, let's first see how it will be looking alike. So here you can see we have made region wise, year wise sales. Now, what we need to do is we will simply go to this again. We will, where is order date? Order date. Okay, I want it here. Great. So, you can notice we are getting the same chart that we were getting over here. But as soon as we have put one thing in the legend section, then only we got this chart. Otherwise, we were getting a normal bar chart. Now, now let's see what this chart says and what information this chart will be giving to us. So, firstly, we can see we have 2014, 15, 16, 17, and then we have for orange says south, purple says west, blue says east, and light blue says central. So this ribbon basically says the sales of west for the year 2014, 15, 16, 17. The dark blue one says the sales in 2014, 15, 16 and 17. Orange one says for south and the light blue one says for central. Now, as soon as I am placing my cursor on that particular column in which there is no ribbon, then you can notice we are getting order date, region and sales. The same thing that we were getting in the bar chart. All these columns will be depicting the same information. But as soon as I move to this ribbon section, this one, you can notice we are getting West sales for 2014, West sales for 2015. Then what was the sales change? That is, in 2014, the sales was 1,47,883.03. In 2015, it went down to 1,39,966.25. So there was a decrease of sales, that is minus 7,916. Also, the rank of West was 1 in 2014 and it became 2 in 2015. So there was decrease in rank as well. Both this ribbon is depicting the same information to us. Again, you can notice these things we can see from ribbon as well, that it fall from 2014 to 2015. Again, in 2016 it got increased, and you can see in 2015 the sales was 1,39,966. However, in 2016 it became 1,87,490, and there were overall change in sales of 47,513. Also, the rank of West became from second to first, and there were increase in the rank. Again, here as well, there was increase in sales. However, the rank remained the same. Now, as soon as I will move to this one, it will help me with the information of East. My bad. It will help me with the information of East. You can notice the sales of East in 2014 was 1,28,000. In 2015, it was 1,56,000. There was total change in sales of 27. Rank also got changed from 2 to 1, and so with the east here as well, with east and so on. So basically ribbon chart is helping us with so much information in a single visualization. Currently, you can notice we have order date as year, quarter, month. If I will remove year, I will be getting quarter wise. If I will remove quarter, I will be getting month wise. If I will be removing this, I will be getting day wise data as well. If I will be removing this, then I will be getting simply a bar chart. Again, move it to this part, and you are again getting the same options over here. Let's remove day, month, quarter, and remain year only. Again, you can do formatting thing over here as well. Let's go to format and see what options do we have. But before doing that, let's go to funnel. Let's go to this donut chart or pie chart, wherever you want. Format painter, go to this one and do formatting over here. Now, let's first rename it as Ribbonchart. Okay, so now again go to format visual. If we have more options, x-axis we have options over here. For x-axis, let's go to bar chart, format painter, ribbon chart. As you notice why the x-axis didn't get changed, because in pie chart there was no option of x-axis. But if as soon as I have copy and pasted the formatting from this bar chart, we can see that this 2014, 15, 16, 17 has also changed. Now let's select this, go to this visualization part. X-axis, you can notice we have already made the changes. And then let's go with the legend. It's top center text. I don't want to make any change. Grid lines, if you want you can simply have it, but I don't want, so I will be removing it. We have zoom slider. I can either switch it on or off, that totally depends upon me. Then we have ribbons. We have ribbon colors over here. Let's make green for the central. For east, let's make it as yellow, and for south let's keep it as orange, and for west let's make it as red. No, red is not looking that nice. Purple. Okay, this is fine. So you can do the change as well. Connector color, if you want to switch it on, you can switch it on. If I will switching it off, then this is how it will be looking alike. I won't be getting any connecting colors over here, but I want to have it on. If you want, you can make it the border as well. Then we have spacing. Currently the spacing is 0. If you want, you can increase the spacing as well. That totally depends upon you, that how you wish your ribbon chart. So normally ribbon chart is like this, but if you want to have any space between the regions, you can simply increase the spacing with from here. Then the data labels is on. Currently you can notice it is representing in the form of millions. If you want, you can change it as well. Currently it's inside center. The position orientation is horizontal, and then value I can increase it from here. Color I can change it to black only. Okay, this is looking nice. And then units I want to be displayed in thousands, and this is how it will look like. Background decimal, I want to keep it as on one position. If I want to switch on the background, then notice I am getting background as well. If I want, I can change the background color as well. I can keep it as white. I can increase or decrease the transparency as per my need, and this is how my visualization is looking alike. I hope all these formattings that I am helping you guys with is clear to you. Again, you can go to title, general title. I want to be it like that only. Header, if you want, you can switch it off. Tooltip, I want to have tooltip effects. I have already made the effects, and this was all about the ribbon chart. Now, after ribbon chart, let's, so we have seen donut, pie, and we have seen funnel. Ribbon is also clear. Now let's see what do we have next. Map, we will be talking about this letter. Tables also we will talking about letter. Let's go with line chart. So for line chart, one thing is to notice that we need to have date field. It is generally line chart is generally used to display a trend, and as the date field has been used in the line chart, it also gives us function of auto hierarchy. Now I will tell you guys what does hierarchy means over here, what is line chart and how we can make it. So one thing to notice over here is to draw line chart we need date. So date I have already selected, that is order date. Now I want to see date wise sales. Great. So now you can notice we are getting sales for 2014, 15, 16 and 17. You can notice we are getting few options. These options we were not getting earlier, neither in pie chart nor in donut chart, funnel, ribbon. We were not getting this option earlier. Now, if we are getting this option here, that means there is some reason. So let's click on drill to down on drill down. So there is not any. Acha, my bad. Let's go to the next level in the hierarchy. Let's click on this and you can notice we have moved from year to quarter. So basically it's showing quarter wise sales for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. Let's again bifurcate it again. So it's showing us on the basis of month, that sales for each month in this particular in these 4 years. Again I can drill it down to the day as well. So let's again drill it up, and we are again back to 14, 15 and 16. Expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So as soon as I have clicked on this, you can notice we are getting January 2014, 14, 14, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Again, if I will be expanding down, so I will be getting like this, sales by quarter and month. Again, if I will be expanding it down, so this is how I will be getting this hierarchy. And then if I want to move to again back to here, I can do it from here. So I hope this drill down and drill up is clear to you, and all these 3 points that I have written over here is clear. So basically, to create a line chart we need to have a date field, the first thing. The second thing, line chart is used to display a trend, and as we use date over here, auto hierarchy is created in this particular chart, and you can make the drill down and drill up things from here. Now, as you can notice, we are getting the total sales for each year over here. Now, I want to see category wise sales. So what I need to do is I need to simply place legend in the category post part, and you can notice we are getting the sales for each and every category for each and every year. Let's move. Let's put secondary y-axis as well. In the y-axis, let's place profit. Is there anything happening? Let's just see that as well. What happened? Why it's not? Okay, so here we don't have the option to put it. This is the reason it's not coming up over here. Okay, let it be. So here you can, I guess, I hope that this is clear that what is exactly line chart, what it says and why we need to put one order date. If you want, you can remove this day, and then let's see if we are able to drill it down to day as well. We have quarter, month and category only. Again, drill it up and let's drill it down to next level hierarchy. We are getting quarter, we are getting month, but we aren't getting day because we have already removed the day from this x-axis. So I hope this concept is crystal clear to you guys. Now what I will do, I will go to bar chart, click on this visualization format painter, then again I will go to that particular visualization and I will simply paste that particular format to this one. I will rename this as line chart. What happened? I will rename this as, just a second. I will rename this as line chart. Great. Now I will again go to format visual, x-axis on, y-axis, secondary x-axis. Want to switch it off or on? Okay, and then legends is on. Zoom slide, grid lines, I want to switch it off. Great, and this is how my markers off or on. As soon as I have switched on the markers, you can notice I am getting this dots over here on this visualization. Data levels is already on. Series level, you can switch it on, then you will be getting this furniture, office supplies, all these things over here, and you can do formatting to this as well. Series position right, left, whatever suits you. I want to keep it at left only. Values, I want to increase the size, I would make it bold. I will change the color to green. I will change the background color. I will make the background on. Currently it's black. If I want, I can change the color to white as well. I can decrease the transparency, but I don't want this. I want black color only. And then I guess we are done with this. Series level is done. Data levels markers. Then we have lines. If you want to have dashed line, we can do that. If we want to have dotted line, we can do that. But let's keep it solid only. Then we have join type, round, meter, or bevel, whatever you want. You can simply have it. Then we have stroke width, stepped, so you can just explore all these options from your end in order to understand how you can make your visualization more beautiful. After line chart, we will be talking about area chart. So basically, line chart and area chart is same thing. Only you can say is area chart is the enhancement of line chart where the area below the line is also filled. Here the area which you have created, this will also be filled over here. So let's create one more tab and let's click on this area chart. And here also, as I have told you guys, it is enhancement of that line chart. So here also we will be having one order date, and I want to see sales per order date. So this is how my sales is looking, the same as it was coming with the line chart. And now again here I will be having that hierarchy button automatically. I can see quarter wise, month wise, day wise. Then I can drill it up to again month wise, sorry, year wise. Then I can simply say for each month and year what was the sales, then for each month, quarter, and year what was the sale, then for each month, year, quarter, and day what was the sales. Then again I can expand it up, and this is how it will look like. Then in the legend section, what I can do, I can simply move category to this, and this is how my graph will appear like. Then again what I will do, I will simply click this visualization, copy this format and paste it over here. You can notice we are getting the same chart as I was getting in the line chart. The only difference is that here we have the line chart field over here. Let's again go to format visual, x-axis, y-axis, we have already seen legends, grid lines we don't want, markers we want, series level, so everything is same now. And this is the graph that we have just made, and let's rename it as area chart. So I hope these three charts, that is area, line and ribbon, is clear to you guys. Till now, we have discussed about bar chart. Let's rename it as types of bar chart. Then we have seen pie chart, donut, funnel, ribbon, line, area. And in our coming lectures, we will be moving with different charts over here. Till now, till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye, guys.